Yo guys, me Patrick LeVar. Quick video. I learned out something new about FiLMiC Pro which I didn't know before, and it's called edge enhancement. Most cell phones always record with a very sharp edge. Basically, it kind of presets and sharpens the image. Now, in most FiLMiC real film cameras, it doesn't really do that. You can choose that. So, I didn't know that there's an option that you can actually disable that. So in this video, I basically went into my settings, disabled the edge enhancement, and recorded without it. Most of you might not know the difference, but trust me, I noticed the difference. It has a lot more softer view, almost very comparable to my Canon EOS M. So that was what I wanted to get out in this video and check out, was to see the difference between the sharp edges and the not so sharp. So I'll show you three quick shots that I shot another day with edge enhancement on and off. Take a look. Anyways, Patrick LeVar, keep filming. So here is with sharpening reduction off. I have it completely turned off right now. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you the difference with it turned on. Now it's on edge enhancement fast. And this is what it looks like. And there's one other step I'm going to turn it up to. Enhancement high quality. So you can see the difference there. There's just a little bit of sharpness on the edges. I'm going to turn it back off. Now it's completely disabled.